SERV, stock analysis, Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Okay, SERV robotics. It's actually on the bleeding edge of actually shifting. So it's like 7.3% down. You have to understand this from a higher time frame perspective. Like the whole idea behind this argument is this is a beautiful bullish momentum after the retrace that has happened. Like you can call it this, you know, trend line break with a trend line break, whatever. Which that's not like it's not what I use. More so, I just want to see a double break shift. You know, like it has to break these previous highs at 897. We still haven't broken those highs, so you know that's going to be the priority. And then I want to see it give me the next break. Other than that, man, if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And that's about it. I'll keep waiting. I'll keep focusing on what I have here and just still sticking with it, you know? Goodbye and enjoy.